As you prepare for the sacred journey of Umrah, we're here to guide you in a step-by-step manner on how to perform Umrah. Before you begin this spiritual journey, set the intention, do ghusl, and enter the state of ihram. For men, it's 2 unstitched white cloths. For women, a modest dress. At the miqat, set your intention for Umrah by saying, لبيك اللهم عمرة اللهم وإن حبسني حابس فمهل لي حيث حبستني. Offer 2 rak'ats and then recite the talbiyah until you reach Masjid al-Haram. لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك. The heart of Mecca, Al-Kaaba. Tawaf is the practice of performing 7 anti-clockwise rounds of Al-Kaaba. Enter Masjid al-Haram with your right foot. Men should uncover their right arm and begin their tawaf at Hajar al-Aswad, the black stone. During tawaf, Al-Kaaba shall be on your left and make 7 rounds in the anti-clockwise direction. The first round of your tawaf begins at the Hajar al-Aswad. Lift your hand in the direction of the stone and say 3 times, Bismillah, Allahu Akbar. You can make your personal supplications, remembrance of Allah, and recite the Quran. When you reach the Yemeni corner, the corner before the black stone, recite the dua. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. Recite it until you reach the black stone. At this point, you have completed your first round of tawaf. Continue your next rounds, beginning each round with Bismillah, Allahu Akbar, and keep remembering Allah and supplicating. After you have completed the 7th round, cover your shoulders and go to Maqam Ibrahim to perform 2 rak'ats. While you're on your way, it is recommended to recite وَاتَّخِذُوا مِن مَقَامِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ مُصَلَّى. It is sunnah to recite Surah Al-Kafirun, Surah 109 in the first rak'ah, and Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah 112 in the second after Surah Al-Fatiha. Make sure you make plenty of dua after completing the prayer. If the place is crowded, you can pray away from the maqam. After tawaf and before you perform sa'i, it is recommended to drink Zamzam water. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, the water of Zamzam is for whatever purpose it is consumed for. Before drinking the Zamzam water, make an intention that its consumption will be a means of fulfilling your du'as. Follow the signs to the starting point of sa'i. Sa'i is a ritual performed by walking between the hills of Safa and Marwa 7 times. On your way to Safa, recite the following. إن الصفا والمروة من شعائر الله. Upon reaching the hill of Safa, face the direction of Al-Kaaba. Raise your hands in supplication and recite the Tawheed, oneness to Allah. Takbir, Allah is the greatest, and Tahmeed, gratefulness to Allah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahi alhamd. La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah. له الملك له الحمد يحيي ويميت وهو على كل شيء قدير. لا إله إلا الله وحده أنجز وعده ونصر عبده وهزم الأحزاب وحده. After reciting this dua, you may recite your own supplications. Read the dua a total of 3 times, making your own supplications in between each time, as was the sunnah of the Prophet, peace be upon him. From Safa, make your way towards Marwa. Between Safa and Marwa, you will encounter 2 sets of green fluorescent lights, which indicate the distance that Hajar ran to get to higher grounds. Between these 2 lights, it is sunnah for men to run at a medium pace, while women should continue normally. Occupy yourself with remembrance, supplication, and recitation of the Quran until you reach Marwa. Face the Qibla and repeat your supplications. At this point, you have completed 1 lap of sa'i, while returning to Safa from Marwa is considered a 2nd lap. Repeat this ritual until you have completed 7 laps. Sa'i ritual begins at Safa and ends at Marwa. concluding Umrah. Men shave or trim their hair, and women can clip their hair to an inch in length, making their spiritual journeys end. With this, your Umrah journey is officially complete. May Allah subhanahu accept your Umrah.